Hello everyone, my name is Kaunesh Sarunan, matrix number 273433. So I would like to present about my individual assignment. For this assignment, I chose the company the Howitt Berhad. Howitt Berhad is a Malaysian healthcare provider and pharmaceutical company. It was founded in the early 1940s. Howitt manufactures primarily generic drugs such as antihistamines, antibiotics, tranquilizers, analgesics, anticides, and diuretics. It also manufactures dietary supplements. Howitt's research and development activities focus on special delivery systems, bioavailability, and enhanced formulations. In the context of warehouse efficiency, the detailed analysis of Howitt Berhad gives ideas and providing opportunities on how to prepare the future needs in warehouse operations, such as receiving, put away, storage, picking, packing, sortation, and shipping activities. These activities also can be a great help in understanding warehouse operations, otherwise improve the productivity and conducting costs. The first process in this warehouse activity profiling is receiving. Receiving refers to physically accepting material into warehouse, unloading the material it from the inbound transportation mode. The importance of it is receive cargo efficiently and correctly and to avoid accumulation at the receiving docks. The steps involved is first creating proper documentation and sending the inventory. After that, receiving and unload stock, and then count and confirm inventory and organizing and storing new inventory in the warehouse. The equipment involved in this process is forklift, pallet, and hand pallet truck. The second process is put away. Put away is the process of taking the product from the receiving area to put it into the most appropriate location. It is to reduce the time needed for the storage personnel to do their job. The steps involved is first determine the locations for pallet to be put away, and then update the location, and then finally update the pallet location in WMS. The equipment involved in this process is forklift and palletizers. The third process in this warehouse activity profiling is storage. Storage is a place where goods are stored temporarily. This is to minimize the cost created by warehouse, where space is utilized by storing as much as the warehouse affords. The methods involved in this process is random location system, fixed location system, and fixed area working in a random system. And the equipment involved in this process is rack, pallet stacker, and pallet lifter. The fourth process in this activity profiling is picking. Picking is a process retrieving items from warehouse storage locations to satisfy the customer orders. The importance of it is to maximize the service level subject to resource constraints such as labor, machines, and capital investment. The steps involved in this process is picker to parts, put system, and then parts to pickers. And besides that, the equipment involved in this picking for handling is pallet jacks, order picker, and systemized picking system. And then the fifth process for this warehouse activity profiling is sorting and packaging. Sorting is the proper arrangement of many different SKUs, stock keeping units for storage and for picking into individual customer orders. It can increase the operation of a warehouse and in the same time can reduce the space requirements during warehouse activities. It occurs immediately after picking so that items can be assembled into the appropriate orders ready for packing or dispatch. The sorting system includes an accumulation conveyor, a recirculation conveyor, and exit lanes. Regarding packaging, packaging is a wrapping process of packed goods to protect the goods from any damage, such as rain and so on. The importance to it is to ensure the goods delivered in good conditions to the customers. Type of packaging for this process is consumer packaging or industrial packaging, industrial or exterior packaging. The handling equipment involved in this process is belt conveyors, labelers, and plastic straps. Finally, the final process is shipping. Shipping is the process of aggregating several items into a single unit load. It helps in terms of reduce the error with checking goods while loading into the carrier. The steps involved in this process is container optimization, container loading and void fill, weight checking, automated loading and dock management. And the equipment for this last process is reefer trucks, side loader and reefer container. Thank you.